In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do a single arm dumbbell chest fly. Now, firstly, if you're wondering what the point of a single arm chest fly is, basically there'll be a little bit more core activation in this variation, because what's going to happen is, especially with a heavier weight, you're going to be bringing that weight away from the body. You're not going to have anything in your opposing hand, which means that your core is going to have to work to make sure that you can keep nice and straight with your spine and make sure that you don't then twist and bend during the exercise. Also as well, you can work sides independently, which for some people they prefer doing. So first thing you're going to do is choose which side that you want to work. So I'm going to work my left side so you can see best on the camera. So I'm going to bring the dumbbell from the floor on my left knee. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep my elbow in as I come back. So notice how I've kept my elbow in. I'm now in a position where the whole of my back is on the mat, and from here I press directly up in a position where I'm directly above my chest. Now, as I come slowly down, you can, with the opposing hand, have it out like so, or you can have it on your chest, by your side, doesn't matter. What matters is how you control the weight down with your hand in contact with the dumbbell. Bring your elbow slightly below the position of your shoulder and then come back up. Notice how I've got a soft elbow as I do that. So as I'm doing my repetitions, you'll notice that I'm coming just below the position of my shoulder with my elbow. My elbow is slightly bent and I return back to the start position. So you should be feeling this in your chest. You're always coming back to a position where you're directly above your chest and not in a position where you're above your head or above your shoulder. Once you've done your desired amount of repetitions, if the weight's light enough, you can always transfer like so, and then start your opposing repetitions. If you've got a really heavy weight, what you might want to do is come up, transfer at the top, and then come back down and do your repetitions on the alternating side. So that's how to do a single arm chest fly, and that would be how to do it on a flat bench. You'd repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.